How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to be installing this rear mud guard, rear shock mud guard. So this is from DB Off-Road Accessories. Stands for Dirty Bike. Comes with this rubber mat thing and a screw and a few washers. I mean, you could probably make this yourself, but I am not too handy. And I kind of wanted to get this done right away. But yeah, I'll leave the link in the description. Let's pull this out. Wow, yeah, it's pretty thick. Pretty thick. It's just like a rubber mat. Here is for the rear brake line. There's like a little hole. And this is gonna go by the light right there. Pretty thick. All right, let's get started. So first I'm gonna be removing the license plate by the light. It's 8mm. Doesn't feel that right. Doesn't feel like an 8, but it's a little loose. Goes. Okay. Let's see here. Okay, now let's go to the bottom. I'm gonna be taking off this bolt here. I can slide the brake line right in here. Perfect. Not so perfect. So I got the included screw, washer, put some blue stuff on there. Put this in here. That's just a little bit loose. Okay, guys. Put a washer over here. And maybe the third washer goes in the back of this. I am not sure. I am not sure why there's 3 washers. Wait, for installation instructions, please scan code below. Darn it, I don't have time. Just kind of making up things as I go. And there goes the washer. Yeah, alright. Alright guys, that's pretty much it. Maybe I'll read the directions later on, but how about you let me know where that last washer goes. How do you guys like it? Yep, I still got that on. Yeah. I like it. Hopefully the shock won't get too muddy. Yeah, I'm sure you guys can make one. That's all right. Looks okay. All right, guys. Thanks for watching a simple, fast, easy video. Aloha and take care. The link is in the description.